Hey crew, welcome to my backyard. I haven't flown in a few weeks, and I'm okay with that. I'm going to tell you why right now. You guys know I make the most of my layovers, but what's funny is that the stuff I remember isn't the big stuff like swimming with sharks in Hawaii, or hanging out of a helicopter in New York, or surfing in Portugal. It's the small stuff, like this kindling. Like this one time we took a taxi ride in Lisbon, and we were headed back to the hotel, and all four of us knew the song that was playing on the radio, so we just started singing. I'll remember that for a long time. Or this one time I was in Berlin and a friend of mine ordered an iced coffee with cream, and she got an iced coffee with whipped cream. Or the time I was in Stockholm and we found this cool restaurant right on the water. We just sat and watched the sun go down. That's what I'm going to remember about these days. Charades, nightly Zoom calls with friends, Legos, climbing trees, riding scooters, and bonfires. Try to make the most of this time together. Let's not forget these days. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome week. That's what I'm going to remember about these days. Frisbee rat. Let's not regret this time we get to get with.
I gotta get a new thing because this is fucking.
Try to make the most of this time together. Let's not take for granted this time we get.
Sitting here watching you. Don't screw up, or else you won't get it. Start.
All right.
If you like this, subscribe to the bell thing. Hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.